It's a 4-1-4-1 shape. Fernando Gonzalez will really protect that back four, giving more freedom to the likes of Eric Gutierrez and Victor Guzman. Kikanovic has been playing as a right back, and he's actually made that position his own, doing well, getting forward, being an outlet in terms of changing the point of attack.
It is the Earthquakes to get us underway, attacking from left to right. Benji Kikanovic immediately the target for that long ball forward. And Cowell getting a good response so far. Christian Espinosa again in a lot of space. Two inside the area, the cross. Ability with Anderson! He needed that! San Jose needed that! And they have the perfect start to Leagues Cup. Espinosa the architect, but a textbook header from Abobasi has given his side the lead.
Well, it ends up being an excellent header from Jeremy Abobasi. But I want...
Now he's got in behind. Cal, good balance, goes for goal. First effort on goal, and the first save for Daniel. Espinosa just starting to feel Chivas offering more going forward, but now they've left themselves open on the counter. Espinosa, Pellegrino inside the area, slow to get across to Mozo. Pellegrino pulls it back at Abobasi. What a save from Rangel. Furious pace early on from San Jose with the press, and just has dropped a little bit. Gutierrez, long range in. Gonzalez breaking from that holding midfield role. Back for Gutierrez. Mozo. Pellegrino closing him down. Mozo with the cross. Cal gets a touch, but it's blocked by Rodriguez. Best move we've seen from Chivas. And that will be the final action of a very good first half for the MLS side. Roberto Alvarado, we thought he was going to start. He is going to play the remainder of this matchup as Chivas get us underway in the famous red and white jerseys, blue shorts and blue socks. Alvarado skips away from the challenge. Really good from him, Roberto Alvarado. Another dimension in attack with him on the field. Pulls it back at Cal! Right at Daniel.
Atlanta United and Cruz Azul had set that record last year, 41,000 at the Benz, and it's now been eclipsed here at Levi Stadium.
And let's see if Chivas can give them something to cheer about. The pullback inside the area, the shot right at Daniel.
This is why Briseño's been brought on, for service now.
Another chip ball in, that on target, Daniel. Comfortable. Oh, he almost spilled at the goalkeeper when he fell. You are, normally I wouldn't allow, but this instance you're correct. Ball played over the top. Another chip towards the goal post.
Oh!
How did it stay out?
It's just better from Chivas, just gambling. Good ball in here, Barajas does well. A little clip ball to the back post. You see Rodriguez comes up limping right after this. He can't even react to it.
And that one's cleared. Absolutely anywhere will do right now for San Jose.
So good by Alfredo Morales.
I think Ian Russell's trying to come on as well and defend this one.
Well, the whole sideline from San Jose is frustrated that Rodriguez is not being let back on the pitch.
Chavez!
Oh!
They have a leveler! Roberto Alvarado at the death! Chivas have scored, but the big storyline is going to be Rodriguez was on the line when that move was taking place.
Pressure that was coming from Chivas. There it is.
Wow. Although, on the balance of play, you'd have to say a deserved leveler for Chivas, but you do feel big moment. Roberto Alvarado, perfect last season from the penalty spot for Chivas. And it's saved! Daniel goes to his left to put San Jose in front in the penalty shootout. Skane against Rangel. Skane scores! To bring Chivas back level in the penalty shootout, although they'll have taken a penalty more. Mozo scores! Good penalty. Same thing, the goalkeeper the wrong way, and he takes the plaudits from the fans as well. making that wait even more excruciating for the penalty taker. Marie against Rangel. Marie! It's off the woodwork and over. Giving his side the lead and regaining control of this penalty shootout. Gutierrez! Cool as you like. Just strokes the ball home. Again, Daniel goes the wrong way. Rodriguez with a massive run-up. Slowly pacing towards the ball, and he doesn't smash it. Calm pass to the goalkeeper's left. The keeper gone to the right, and San Jose level. To once again give Chivas the lead. Cowell against Daniel. Cowell has missed! Morales against Rangel. Morales scores! San Jose are one penalty away from victory. Up against Daniel. Goalkeeper punching that right post. Beltran to keep Chivas in it. Beltran scores that one right in the corner. Daniel went the right way, but it was hit with such precision to win it on penalties for San Jose Earthquakes. They were so close in regular time. If they score here, there will be no way back for Chivas. Victor Costa against Rangel. San Jose win it! They were denied at the death, but they win on penalties. A big moment for San Jose. A side that have struggled recently finally have something to smile about.